What's up, everybody? This is your wine in 60 seconds or less. Today we're talking about DUHIG from one of my favorite people in Napa Valley. Let's go. DUHIG wine is from Harvest DUHIG, who is grabbing her fruit from her family estate in Caymusville. Harvest, yes, her real name is Harvest, has been one of the winemakers at Caymus for almost 2 decades, and I am super excited about the release of her personal project. Harvest lives and breathes these vineyards in Caymusville, and it's clear from the quality of this fruit that there's a tremendous amount of dedication on her part in ensuring that. While you can definitely feel some of the textural through lines between the wines she makes for herself and the wines she's making at Caymus, this wine is distinct and reminiscent of the terroir from the property. Caymusville is of course known for being one of the cooler AVAs, which generally translates to a level of freshness and brightness in the fruit. This wine has viscosity and a lushness and big, bright, sun-kissed California fruit that's as supple and soft as they come.